Computer-delivered IELTS, brought to you by Knowledge Island by Bilal. Welcome to the IELTS writing test tutorial. There are two parts to the writing test. Part 1 and Part 2. To see all of Part 1, you may need to use the scroll bar. You can change the size of the two parts of the screen. You can answer the parts in either order. Write your answer in the space on the right of the screen. Your answers are saved automatically. You can also highlight text and make notes. Test will automatically stop when the time finishes.